Hello guys, welcome back. So today let's make pasta con le cozze, Italian pasta with mussels. So first thing, clean the mussels, scrub the shells and remove the beards. Discard any open mussels that don't close when tapped and wash it properly. In a large pot boiling water, adding a little bit of olive oil. You go in with a clove of garlic, salt. Here I added star spice and rosemary. This is optional. You can add any seasoning of your choice. So next thing, you cover it to cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Whenever you see it open, you know that it's ready. So in another pan, heat olive oil and salt. Add a garlic cloves. I crushed the garlic. Then you add tomato puree. Then a splash of mussel cooking liquid. Cover it and simmer for 10 minutes. After some minutes, add the cooked mussels with or without shells to the tomato sauce. Stir gently and let it simmer for another 5 minutes. So in another pot, boil the farfalle, which is butterfly pasta, in a salted water until it's soft, or just boil it for 5 minutes. Drain and toast into a mussel sauce. Sprinkle with fresh chopped parsley and a drizzle of olive oil. This is optional. Italians usually skip cheese with seafood, but it is up to you. So you can see our farfalle pasta is ready. Add a light touch of grated cheese if you like, even if it's not tradition, and you have made yourself a lunch, a delicious dinner. If I've watched this point, thank you so much. If you're watching my video for the first time, you are highly welcome, and do consider follow us for more videos and keep watching Chizzy Delish Kitchen. Bye, ciao ciao.